guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Subscribe to our channel for lots of fun videos posted every day. Check out this Lego City Police Patrol boat. It's the 6129 collection. It has 200 pieces. Let's take a closer look at all the pieces that are included. It has a lot of features, including a cabin here. It has 2 levels, including 2 police officers. That's the crew of the ship, complete with a lot of gadgets, including radio control. Of course, look at all these antennas and radar included at the top. And of course, right over here, there's a jail once the police have captured the thief. This boat actually floats on water, so you can play with it in your bathtub. And it does include a life raft. This is the boat that actually the crooks used to get away. And this one is fun as well. It does float also. There are a lot of accessories included with it, including here the bag of money. And this actually fits here. It has a place of its own. This cell here, where the crook is being held, is actually a door with bars that is removable. And we do have 2 crooks included in the collection. So there are a total of 4 figurines. And inside the cell, there's a bed for them to sleep in, located in a convenient spot right on top of the boat, where the crew can keep an eye on the crooks. This is a medium-sized ship. At the front of the boat, there's a searchlight. The crew will use the searchlight to search for those sneaky snooks, the crooks. The searchlight does rotate. Here it is inside the captain's quarters, where the control panel is located and the captain can drive the ship. Down below is the first mate's seat, and of course he's a police officer. And he has his equipment ready, including handcuffs, radio transmission devices, and there's a ladder going up to the top floor. The police officers have life jackets just to be safe. This is a 2-man operation. This is a motorized raft. And we have 3 crooks in it. It's a 3-man operation to steal the treasure.
Top rotor helicopter, I've located the treasure. On my way to retrieve it.
Excellent. Get there fast before all the sharks come out.
There's a shark! Attention! There's a shark! It's getting me!
The diver is going to help position the treasure.
The treasure is secure! The shark is coming closer. I better get out of here quickly. Do you spot me? Come in, top rotor helicopter. Do you spot me?
Nice job, rescue team. Your mission is completed. This time we're going to be opening a deep sea helicopter made out of Legos. It includes a submarine and some other accessories, including figurines and a shark. So here's all it can do. The back opens and the submarine attaches on a winch. There's a treasure chest as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we have the instructions.
And this piece right here. So bag 1, bag 2, and bag 3. So let's get to it.
Here's the 2-top rotor helicopter and submarine we've built. The rotors spin, and it has a lot of neat features. At the bottom, it has 4 wheels, and the winch comes out at the bottom. Then it rolls back up. It has 2 engines right at the back. This is very flexible and moves all around. Then here in the back opens up and you can actually fit a vehicle in there or the treasure. You can load it up in there and close the cargo door. There's a pilot inside as well. So let's take him out. So here's the rescue pilot. He's wearing a red outfit and he's wearing rescue gear. He also has a safety helmet. It flips up. And here's the back. And of course, the helmet is removable and you can see he has safety glasses as well. Don't forget the safety helmet. There are doors here that open on the sides. We have a diver here that comes right out. The diver is equipped with his diving gear, including his oxygen tank in the back, flippers, and the diving goggles right on top. All of these are removable, of course. And you can see the diver here. Inside the helicopter, there's a treasure box that's full of treasure. This is the treasure that these rescuers pick up from the bottom of the sea. It's pirate treasure. And then they fit it right inside. We have both doors opening on the side. So let's take a closer look at the submarine. It's a rescue submarine. It has claws here in the front, so it can capture and defend itself. And of course, tanks everywhere so that it can carry oxygen. Lights at the top.
There's a window here that can open up. Here we have our pilot. You can see some controls in here. And And in the back, there's actually some propellers which can move right here. And these claws can actually grab something. Here, like this, can only go underwater, now go on land. See underneath? Nothing.
So here is the third figurine included. She pilots the submarine. She just has a regular research gear on, and she has glasses. So let's fit her right in here. And she's ready to leave for her mission. The last thing included in this collection is a shark. And his jaws open up. He's a fierce guy. Tries to chomp the submarine. Well, that's it for us, guys. We have a really fun toy we're featuring. Check this out. It's Racing Bike Transporter. It has 2 motorcycles that it includes, 2 figurines, and lots of accessories, and of course a transporter truck. In addition, it has a trophy podium. And here's the complete collection. It's really fun. It's a motorcycle race, and the winner takes it all. First place and a silver cup. Here's the complete collection. As we built it, it has a really fun trailer in the back that carries the extra motorcycle. And here is the first one. And our first racer. We can unload our second motorcycle, which fits neatly on the truck up here. There are helmets included and a gas tank. You can fuel up on the go. And here's our super fun truck. It features a driver, and the driver is also a racer. The truck has a real nice detail on it. You can see it's a racing transporter. It has the racing logo, and of course, that's the finish line flag. And the driver actually comes right out, and we can fit him with the helmet so he can be ready to race. Here is the second driver. We can fit him with his racing helmet so he can be safe. Let's go ahead and put some gas so we can begin our race. The second motorcycle needs to gear up for racing. It's racing time! Let's see who will win the silver cup and be in first place. Is it going to be Team Red or Team Black? Ready, set, go! Oh no, there's been an accident. Ready, set, go! And Red crosses the finish line first. He's the winner. The crowd goes wild. Red wins silver. He's in first place. It's a truck. It's the collection 60060. It's for ages 5 to 12, and it's part of Lego City. So here's the complete collection, and you can have a lot of fun transporting on this double flatbed truck. Here's the complete collection as we've built it. It includes 2 cars. We can unload the second car. Here's a transporter truck. It has a lot of fun details on it. License plate here. And of course, these fun mirrors. There are headlights at the top. And the doors open so the driver can slide right out, and they open on both sides. Here's our transporter driver. He has a removable cap and very fun aviator glasses. He's a truck driver. The truck has a double trailer, and the back trailer actually is removable, so you can take it off and leave it parked somewhere.
Like in the garage.
And you can just use your single flatbed if you have less cars to transport.
If you have 2 cars, then you can put them on the bottom or on the up. Do this there's a connecting here. When it falls and it doesn't have the connecting, it'll fall off. I'll give you an example, guys. If it didn't have this connecting on this, it'll fall off.
So what do you need to do to secure it in place?
There's a bumper here, drives it up, then he lifts it up, then it's on. See, it drives up a driver in, and it hooks up, then they lift it up like this. Then another car comes and goes up here like this, and then they fold the ramps. Then there's supposed to be a driver here.
The driver is very comfy in there. He has a coffee mug too.
So it's like this, then he drives away to the mechanic. Like this.
The collection comes only with 2 cars. We just have an extra car we're going to be using. And it's this green one.
If it has less, then they de-hook it. See, this. Remember I showed you. This thing comes down. And when it comes down like this, the car tips over and it falls off. Like this. That's why they have the connectings on top. Now we can just put down the ramp and drive our little truck up. And we can just drive away. Like this, we'll come back. See how the wheels move when it's driving?
The collection comes with 2 cars. Here's the first one. This is a black sports car. It has doors that open on each side. And here's the figurine that it comes with. It looks like a businessman with a suit on and a slick hairstyle. Here's the second car that is included in the collection. It's a blue one. Another sports car, just like the first one. It has doors that open. It's a really nice car. Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already. And also click the like button. Leave a comment down below as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video.